The excitement was also that what you're doing is actually the first of its kind. So in research, I think that feeling of that nobody else in the world has done it, right? This is the first time. What you are doing is the first time you're doing it, and you are going to answer a question. You have a hypothesis and you are testing it. So for me, that always excites me. That what does it mean? What is it? What is going to come? That unknown, that wonder feeling. I think I really enjoyed when I did my first internship.
I think it's a very what interests me about you is that it was quite an early interest which you never let it go and you stuck to it. Most of the times I have met people who are engineers and in the corporate world, and they say that, and they tell me that I liked physics so much, but somehow I did something else, and they regret their lives. But if you stick on to the subject that you like, then it's really possible to make your living also.
Yes. I mean, I think making a living for me, it has always been like it's not just about money. I mean, it's also about what you enjoy day to day. Like I really get up. You get up and you're excited to go to work. You're excited about what you're going for the rest of the day, and that's very important. And I couldn't let it go. Like I could do a lot of other things. I'm good at a lot of other things, but I just could not let my research go. Could make living out of anything else.